just need a place to work because my husband is redoing my table and I'm working on the floor. All right, so I think this is gonna make a beautiful bookmark. I'm gonna make it into probably two, like a long one and a short one, and then put a ribbon on it and clean up the edges. All right, these are the original two. I think they turned out so good. The daisy was peeling just a little bit, so I put some some tacky glue, and then put that gold leaf foil on it. It's so pretty. Like, I love that you can see the veins in the leaves themselves, the petals. And I have this gold ribbon. I honestly don't know how wide that is. And the edge was messed up, so I just trimmed the other edge to match that. So that's one. I need a package. And then here's the other one. Remember I said I was going to cut it like in two, and so I love the petal on this one. Like, look at the veins of that orchid. Gorgeous. They actually make really great sun catchers. So anyways, I got purple because there's little bits of purple in that. So there's those two. I love it. So I have clear vellum and a Xyron creative station with a permanent adhesive 9-inch. So what I'm going to do, all right, I'm going to feed it through, and it's going to make one side sticky with a permanent adhesive. All right. Let's see if it works, because last time I ended up cracking it and breaking it. So I'm going to peel the white paper off. Ah! Yay, it worked. Oh boy. Okay. Some flowers, some dried flowers, and start there. Yeah, I don't know where to put some of these. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up. as I was creating several different types of these glittery bookmarks that the fine glitter actually stuck a lot easier and covered so much more surface area than anything else, and I've made some really pretty ones with the fine glitter, so I hope you enjoy those too. I did also include some foil leaf and some bigger chunks of sequins and glitter, but all in all, the fine glitter worked better, and I'll show you at the end how I sealed them as well to keep them a little bit more durable. Also, the leaves didn't really work, so if you are going to make the bookmarks, I would suggest just doing the flowers because they are thinner and they stick a lot better than dried leaves. So this is the Mod Podge that I was talking about sealing with. I took these outside where it was well ventilated, and I gave them a good spray until I could see that all of the areas were coated. And then I let them sit overnight, and I want to say maybe I did a second coat on some of them that I noticed weren't quite sealed, like the big daisies and flowers and things. But then for the most part, they were ready to go to be cut into bookmarks. And guess what? The fun continues, because from my birthday flowers this year and the floral class that I took in February for Valentine's Day, I have 2 whole bouquets of flowers that I'm pressing. And you'll see that bouquet video in my February recap, but just a little sneak peek. It's so pretty. Anyways, if you'd like to see me using these dried flowers in the future for bookmarks or cards, let me know in a comment below.
Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you learned something or were inspired to create something of your own. Let me know what it is in the comments below. See you in the next one.
Captain. Really? Anyways, if anything, I'll just dub over this. I could work in the kitchen, I guess, but... Alright.